Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. In today's video, I will show you how to install an Android app built with Google AI Studio on a real Android phone. Before we start, you need to enable developer options and turn on a few important settings on your Android phone. Before connect your Android phone to your PC, now open your phone Settings. Once it opens, go to About Phone and open Phone Detailed Info Specs. Find build number or MIUI version if you are using a Xiaomi device. Tap build number or MIUI version several times until developer options are enabled. My phone already has developer options enabled, but if yours is not enabled, follow this step. Now go back to Settings. Search for developer options. Once it appears, open it. Scroll down and enable USB Debugging. Also enable Install via USB and USB Debugging security settings if your phone has these options. Now connect your Android phone to your PC using a USB cable. Google AI Studio or Android Studio should detect your device. Click the Install button on the top right corner. When the pop-up appears, scroll down and click on Install via USB. The application will now start installing on your phone. As you can see, the app has been successfully installed. Now we can open it and test all features directly on a real Android device. This is the best way to test your application because you can see how it performs on an actual phone instead of only using an emulator. So that is how you can install your Google AI Studio generated Android app on a real device. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe to All PC Geek, and turn on notifications for more Android, AI, and technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.